Hello friends, our subject operating system has practical 3 working with multiple Linux terminals and basic commands. In this practical we will study how to work with the terminal environment to know about the users and set their security. It includes current status of all users like details about all the users who access the terminal for a particular duration and path of the directory. These are the program outcomes of practical 3 and these are the practical outcomes. After completion of this practical, we will be able to learn the commands like who am I, login, password, su and pwd. Let us see how who command works. It is used to display who are the user connected to our computer currently. The syntax is who and option. There are various options available. We will see some of them. -a option. It is used to display all the users who have been logged in. -b. This option displays the time of the last system boot. -d will print the dead processes. -H will print the line of the column heading. -L will print the system login processes. Who am I? This command will display the details of currently working user. Syntax is who am I. Next, login. This command is used to switch from one user to another user at any time. Syntax is login. Password command. So, this passwd command is used to set the password of the current user. It will ask for the entering new password and then confirm password. Syntax is passwd. Su command. This command provides super user privileges. It will ask for the super user password. Syntax is su. Pwd. This display the present working directory. The syntax is pwd. Now we will execute all these commands in our telnet. So I have done here login with the user srb. Here I will execute the who command. This will display the number of users who have been currently logged in. So this is the first user, root user. This is the another user tycm-ss1 and this is the third user srb user which is my current user which is working. Okay. So we will execute our first option of the who command, that is who -a. This will display all the processes which are working from the various users currently. So these are the all processes which are executed. I will execute the next option, that is who -b, which will give me the system last boot time. Okay. Now the next option is who -d, which will display all the dead processes. The next option is who -h, capital H is there. So it will display the heading for all the commands, all the columns of the who command output. Okay. So here is the name of the first column, that is the first column heading. Second column heading is line, after that time, and after that the comments. So the next command is who -l option. So this will give us all the login processes. And the last one, who am I. So this will give me what is the current user with which I have been logged into the system. Okay. So this is a who command is used to see how many users are currently logging into the system. Now there is another command, login command. Actually this command is not executed from all the system. So let us try here. So this is my one user, and its password I will enter here. So it will give us a login incorrect. If again I will enter, actually I am entering correct password, but it is showing that login is incorrect. So this version of the Linux is not supporting this particular command. Now I will execute the command passwd, which is used to change the current password. So it will give me information that changing the password for user SRB. So means I want to change the SRB user password. So here first I have to enter the current password of the SRB user. So I will enter it. So it will ask me for the new password. So I have entered it, and it is giving me that it is the bad password. It is based on the dictionary word. So I will try the another password. Again bad password. So it asks for retyping the new password. So my password is updated here. So passwd command is used to change the password. Next command is su command. This command is used to get or acquire the super user privileges. Here I need to type the root user password, because root user is the super user. So I will type here the root user. So from here you can see that this is the root user login. So all the facilities that are provided for the super user will be now applicable from this user. So from here we can execute all that commands. Now from here you can check that this is the hash prompt, which is the prompt of the super user, and this is the dollar prompt, which is the prompt of normal user. So all the super user commands can be executed from this prompt now. So we can execute that. So to come out of all the this super user, we can type the exit command, which is exiting from the super user login. So we are at now at normal user login. Now here the next command is pwd, that is the present working directory. Now this is the present working directory, home SRB. Now suppose I will enter into any of the directory, let us say kkwp. So and I will print here pwd command. So this current directory is now kkwp. So in this way pwd command is used to display the present working directory. So this is all about practical 3. So thank you.